Trial of Joseph Daniels begins today in Dickson County. Daniels is charged for killing his 5-year-old son back in 2018. Today was opening arguments in the trial and first witnesses. News 4's Marissa Sulik was in the courtroom. And Marissa, who was brought to the stand today?
Well, Mars, the first witness was Jessica Donnerstag, and this was Joe Clyde's speech teacher. Now, we know that Joe Clyde had some difficulty saying certain words, but she says that he was not quiet. And that was evident in the videos presented in the courtroom today. Donnerstag says Joe Clyde was known for his plaid button-down shirt, cowboy boots, and his love for apples. Seeing these videos was emotional for family, Joe Clyde's teacher, even Joseph Daniels, who smiled when he saw his son on the screen. One exhibit brought to the stand was a lock and key. His teacher says this was one motor skill Joe Clyde had difficulty with.
Alphabet locks could match upper and lowercase letters, had difficult time manipulating key and lock, discussed poor fine motor skills with OT, which is the occupational therapist. Kelly said she was aware and has been working on fine motor skills. There was a marked difference between what he could perform and what his same-aged peers could perform as well.
Now, the teacher also says that Joe Clyde had difficulty saying certain words. She says he spoke mostly using vowels. Marius.
Marissa, I want to touch on this lock and key. Does the lock and key exhibit the state presented have any significance?
Well, it could potentially down the road. Now, the prosecution mentioned in their opening argument that when the night that Joe Clyde went missing, Joseph Daniels called first responders and told them that his child escaped by picking a lock and key on the front door. But the fact that this witness proved that he didn't have that motor skill could be critical. Marius.